Hi guys, welcome to Wall3D After Sales Department. Just want to let you know how our day goes. So we start our day meeting each other, team members, and especially my day, I meet with all my team members because we have a lot of people in our team. We have claim department, we have service department, and we have customer support department. Now, claim department, they check their schedule if they are pending with any claims to be processed. For the customer service team, they check if they have any customers to be responded because we have a tag of responding every customer in 2 hours. And our service team is always in top of point where they can repair the machine and get this repaired machine to a customer to be working at 100% satisfaction.
Hi, my name is Leena Jain and I look after the customer care department in the after sales team, and I hear the customer problems. So when they call up, so they tell their issues, the printer name, when it was taken, the purchase date, and then the serial number. So we direct them to the customer care @wall3d.com, which is our technical team, which looks after it. And a ticket is raised for the every issue, and later on we just carry on with the technical department. So my job is to just take care of the customers, their issues, and then direct them to the technical team.
Hello everyone, my name is Pratik and I am handling all the support tickets over here. So basically at Wall3D, when customer emails us, there is a one support ticket is generated. So for that we provide troubleshooting steps to help them to solve the issue. If it is persist, we arrange a video call for the further guidance. Then it is not solved, it is not resolved. Then we request them to sending the printer to our service center for repair.
Hello, myself Pankaj. I'm working in a technical team in Wall3D. हमारे यहाँ पे जैसे कोई प्रिंटर आता है, उनकी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बेसिकली हम नॉर्मल प्रॉब्लम्स हम व्हाट्सएप वीडियो कॉल के ज़रिए ही सॉल्व करते हैं. अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो प्रिंटर अपने सर्विस सेंटर में मंगाते हैं या फिर कस्टमर के लोकेशन पे जाके विजिट करते हैं. अगर उससे भी नहीं होता है तो फिर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी से क्लेम करा के इश्यू सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं और 100% सॉल्यूशन दे देते हैं.
Hey, hi, this is Rinku here from Wall3D. I handle the claim department. As our day process starts with understanding what difficulty the client is facing, and then we understand if in case we can troubleshoot it at our end, if in case we can take over a video call with the client and get an understanding, and then probably try to troubleshoot it. If in case not, the process is not happening, then we go up to the manufacturer to get an understanding whether the troubleshoot is needed or the spares needed to be replaced. So that's how if in case we get a replacement, we update the client that the spares need to be replaced and you need to wait until 15 days. That's the process. So we get the spares from China and we try to resolve the issues at the most within 15 to 20 days. That's the process of claim department. Thank you.